Hello po, good evening sa inyong lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsubishi, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo at i-tutur ko kayo sa isa sa mga available na 2-bedroom units dito po kay Brixton Place. Okay po? Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyong lahat and welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan nyo ako i-tutur ko kayo sa 3-bedroom project updates for Best Investments by Mitsubishi, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello, what's up po kayo? Ito. So right now, nandito ako ngayon kay Brixton Place. So dito si Brixton Place, this is near, this is along West Capitol Drive in Barangay Capitolio in Pasig City. So itong project na to, this is near BGC and Ortigas. Okay, so actually mas malapit dito kay BGC kasi beside lang nito yung Ortigas Pasig Bridge, Ortigas BGC Bridge na connecting na isang tawid ka lang na nasa BGC area ka na. And also at the same time on the other side papuntang Capitol Commons na siya and papuntang Ortigas. So this unit is located on the 45th floor. Okay, so currently as of today, May 16, available pa po itong unit na to. So 45th floor, ito lang ta, few floors lang siya, nasa roof deck na siya. Okay, I think nasa pangatlong floor from the atrium level. Okay, so this unit is just behind the elevator. Okay, so this unit with the size of 54.50 square meters. Okay, so for those sa mga interested dito, nandiyan yung numbers ko po para sa mga sample competition. So upon entering, meron ka mini po foyer dito, and then dito yung dining area mo. Okay, just like the same unit size, unit cuts natin kay Allegra, pero mas smaller lang ito ng 3 square meters. And then dito sa side na to yung kitchen cabinets natin. So ito pansinin nyo, iba yung color ng mga countertops natin. So nag-iiba, and also yung kitchen cabinets natin. So nagva-vary siya depending on the project, yung color niya. Okay? And at the same time, dito ngayon yung living area. Okay? So dito mo pwede ilagay yung entertainment system mo. And then dito yung toilet and bath natin. So dito, toilet and bath, yan, kasama yung mga fittings and fixtures natin dito. Ilaw lang and enclosure, okay na, pwede mo nang lagyan. And then, dito yung second bedroom natin. Okay, so sa second bedroom, this one can fit single bed, bunk bed. Ayan, and then dito yung window. Dito po, window type aircon pa tayo. And this unit is facing towards, pakita ko po sa inyo kung anong view nito. So, dito yung bedroom 1. So, this is pinaka-master bed niya. And then, window type, provision tayo, aircon. And then, siya yung may access sa balcony. So, paglabas mo ng balcony, so dito sa balcony, yan, 8 square meters po itong balcony nito, napakaluwag. Tapos, ang view natin dito, I think this one has the view of Antipolo Mountains, okay? So, kung makikita ninyo dito sa side na to, andun si Allegra Garden Place. Andun si Allegra Garden Place, okay? And then dito rin si Capitol Commons area. Okay? So, napakaganda nito yung view na to. Even yung dito sa side na to, this is makikita niyo si Fairlane Residences. Pero kita mo na yung part ng yung part ng facing east natin, di ba? So, napakaganda nitong view na to. Okay, so for those who are interested on this unit, okay, nandyan yung numbers ko po, naka-flash sa screen, you may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So pwede ko kayong dalhin dito at i-view natin itong unit na to. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube ay ma-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.